guys, today we're learning about how friendship keeps your immune system happy.
You guys are so cute. Okay. So, Zen, how does it make your immune system happy?
Positive relationships with friends, family, or pets improves your immune system and can be healing. Positive company.
Yeah, go ahead.
Positive company can boost your happiness and reduce your stress. Improve your self-confidence and self-worth.
And help you cope with anything.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And Iman, so what else does it help with?
It helps with emotion support.
Yeah, and what other organ does it help with? Your heart.
Heart.
And then...
Diabetes.
And it helps your brain.
It helps your brain.
And it helps you live
And
shorter or longer?
Longer.
Yay! Helps you live longer. Yay! Awesome. You guys are too funny. So let's show them. Let's demonstrate here again. Let's demonstrate.
Please. Oh no, you're a bad friend. Such a bad friend. Although the virus is here.
It weakens your immune system. Now, what happens if we have good friendships around us?
Hey, you want to be friends?
Yeah.
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 You can tough us.
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Yay! And if they, that's when they start breaking up again. Excellent, you guys. That's awesome. So, Abdullah, now do you want to go into a little bit more detail about, what they've seen in tests?
Yeah, so based on the results of the brain MRIs and the blood and saliva tests, we know that feeling loved and supported released hormones into our bloodstream. Such hormones include endorphins.
Do you know which ones? Yeah, good.
Serotonin, and
even oxytocin.
yeah.
Yeah. And what does that do?
That keeps us happy and healthy.
Yeah, and then, so now these hormones, what else do they do?
So these hormones actually also lower cortisol.
Cortisol. And that's a stress hormone.
Yeah.
So when you have love and you're feeling friends and when you guys are hugging each other, you're feeling, it lowers your cortisol. So what else does it do?
So it also improves the blood circulation, lowers blood pressure and heart rate.
Yeah.
It improves your digestion, clears out toxins, and increase the natural killer cells and number of white blood cells that help the immune system.
Yes, good.
And red blood cells and helper T cells.
Awesome. So all of that then does what?
It fights bacteria and
it helps the immune
pathogens.
system to fight off infections and repair cells.
Yeah.
And even fights what?
And it also fights cancer.
Cancer. Yay! Awesome. Zad, what else does it do?
This helps lower inflammation.
Yeah.
Improving sleep,
Helps with lower the restlessness, relieving feelings of restlessness.
and decreasing chronic pain.
And so basically it lowers your pain perception,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And muscle tension.
And muscle tensions, yeah.
And
So Abdullah, were there any other studies? What happens if there were negative relationships? So if there was negative relationships, show me negative relationship. Oh, that's a negative relationship right there. Mayday, mayday, mayday. We have a weakened immune system alert. Now show me a positive relationship again. And then, all right, so what does negative relationships do?
So negative relationships and loneliness can lead to an earlier death. Increased cortisol levels and
Because it raises
depletion
stress.
of
Yeah, it
our
increases stress.
immune system.
Yeah.
Studies have actually shown that having pets
Yeah.
releases the same hormones, and pet owners live longer than people who don't have pets.
Wow. Okay, so that seems super powerful, doesn't it, everybody? That just the that you keep, especially specifically in a time of quarantine right now. So all of us are quarantined in the house. We've been in the house all day long.
Yeah.
We've been in the house all day long. They've started their e-learning,
Yeah.
right? So, but even when you're in the house and you're not supposed to have that much social contact, what are other things that you can do, Zen? What are other things that you can do? Right? Just like random acts of what?
You can do like random acts of kindness.
Yeah.
And be nice to each other.
Yeah.
Like holding the door for someone.
Yeah.
And,
And just being, or maybe even calling somebody.
yeah.
Because even calling them, chatting with the neighbors, we can still go for a walk outside as
Yeah.
long as you stay away from a lot of people. Go for a walk. Who do you guys like to talk to on the phone?
We don't have a phone.
Yeah. Who's your favorite person to talk to on the phone? Their aunts and their grandmothers and their, and their friends. So just to make sure, how people are doing, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So now let's go through, now that we talked about that, I think today we should also talk about, what you guys have been eating today. I think that's super powerful. Now that we talked about that, now that this is like a full first day that you guys have been in quarantine, what have you guys been eating?
Seaweed, fruits,
And?
Vegetables.
seaweed, especially seaweed.
And then there's one citrus vegetable that's super high in vitamin
Oranges.
C. What do you guys
Seaweed.
eating? That has lots of nutrients, yes.
Oranges.
Yeah, oranges. What else?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms, yeah. Good. Beets.
Everybody likes beets.
We all like beets. What did you guys have for breakfast? You want to tell them what they had for breakfast?
We had smoothie.
You had a smoothie for
Green
breakfast?
smoothie.
Green smoothie. Is that
It's
your
like a
favorite?
slushy.
It's like a slushy. Oh my gosh, he loves it.
I had 4 cucumbers.
If you guys he had 4 cucumbers for breakfast. So everything that we're doing to try to improve the immune system and try to stay as positively social as possible within the house. Do you guys fight a lot or no?
No, we get along.
Yeah, so what have you guys been doing? So tell them what you've been doing. So you guys had breakfast in the morning. You guys played chess.
Yes.
What else have you guys been doing?
We played in our fort.
They made a fort?
Yeah, we made like a fort with 4 rooms.
They made a fort with 4 rooms. Oh, tell them something super special about your fort. That it has an air filter?
Yeah.
You want to tell them about your air filter?
Yeah, we had to put air filter in there. 'Cause,
Yeah.
we spend so much time in it.
Yeah, they spend so much time in the fort that they're spending. They're having fun. Yeah, they're using the air filter in there. And then, can you also tell them, so you've been doing a lot of e-learning today. Yes or no?
Yes.
And how has that been going?
That's pretty good.
Okay. Iman, do you want to show everybody what the snack that you're eating right now? Show everybody the snack that you're eating.
Yeah.
Show them how big that seaweed is. This is, okay, so what is your favorite, can you show him your favorite snack in the world? So this is his favorite snack in the world. Can you show him you're eating it?
It's
You really?
a foot.
He loves his seaweed. So I hope that guys, helped with a lot of your answers and questions and answers. If you guys have any questions for them, go ahead. This is your time to ask any questions that you have. Thank you guys all for the fruit love. We would love to know where you're from. So today I think it's Sajida. Yeah, thank you guys.
Sajida.
Yeah, Danish. Sajida, Danish. I would love to hear where you guys are from. Please like and share this video so we can educate and empower
Dr.
children.
Jonathan.
Yeah, isn't that cool that you're helping a This is so exciting. Awesome. We would love to know where you're from, everybody. Yeah. Say hi.
Bye.
Gee.
Who's my budgie?
My cousin. Isn't that exciting? So remember, this is also a great way to be social. I've had even people have dinner parties. People have had dinner parties How have they had dinner parties? Over the internet. So they had like Facebook Live interview, they did have like a virtual dinner party, which is super powerful. Remember to reach out to those people that love it. Thank you.
I will.
So remember, you guys, reach out to people that need it. Call people at this time. Yeah, love your kids. So reach out. Reach out to people, call people, put down what you're doing right now, and just reach out. That does improve their immune system, specifically elderly people. Yeah, how much TV have you guys watched today?
None. We've watched 0 TV.
Have you done any video games? I don't think we even have video games. No. Okay. We each watch so we just take a lot.
We just do math games.
Yeah, he loves his math game. Yeah, look at that.
From
Mississauga, Canada. Wow, hi from Mississauga, Canada. So remember, you guys, love one another, improve your immune system. There's a lot of fear out there, so make sure that you have a lot of gratitude. Keep your bodies healthy. Stay safe indoors. Keep on washing your hands, and you got this. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.